Ninjump used to be the only UR Palmon we could hatch in Palmon Survival. But then you see other players running around with a whole team of UR Palmon. How are they getting them so fast? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today, we will teach you step by step how to capture and unlock UR Palmon without buying bundles. Tokens. Omni Token is a universal token that can be exchanged for any Palmon token in the same tier. For example, orange Omni Tokens can be exchanged for UR Palmon Tokens. In contrast, purple Omni Tokens can be exchanged for SSR Palmon Tokens. After the exchange, we can use the Palmon token to ascend that Palmon. However, this exchange is only possible after we have unlocked the Palmon. You cannot even reach the exchange interface if you do not own the Palmon yet. This means we cannot trick the system into unlocking every Palmon with the Omni token. Omni tokens are solely for ascending a Palmon, not unlocking them. If you have a duplicate Palmon that is not useful, you can dismiss it to get Palmon tokens. These tokens can then be used to ascend your primary Palmon. UR Palmon. Palmon Survival is not just about hatching. It also has a Pokemon-style twist where you can capture some Palmon directly from the world map. If you only rely on the hatchery to get UR Palmon, you will quickly hit a wall in your progress. Around the map, you will see sanctums surrounding tribes. Every sanctum is guarded by Palmon tribes, and the type depends on the sanctum's level. For example, level 1 sanctums have Mantle Ray, while level 5 sanctums have Blazeal. You can strike them with rallies. There are also single roaming Palmon. You can strike them with a single attack that costs only 10 AP. However, single attacks move more slowly, so they are best for nearby targets. For longer distances, rallies are much faster. Joining an active alliance is one of the most important tips here. Rallies are far easier when your members are active. If your alliance is inactive, capturing will become painfully slow. If you're buying a bundle in Palmon Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Locations. From level 1 to level 6 sanctums, you can capture 6 different UR Palmon: Metal Ray, Bark Plug, Statue, Baboom, Dollfriend, and Blazeal. At the center of the land, you will find 4 altars at the corners. The Sunken Altar is guarded by Fingenu. The Verdant Altar is guarded by Servu Lynx. The Thundering Altar is guarded by a Buzzingyan. The Burning Altar is guarded by Magmalin. Once the altar's barrier drops, these Palmon scatter around the map. They are not right beside the altar, so you must search for them on the map. They spawn in groups of 3, but you can only rally them once before they disappear. Next, Ufrit tribes can be found along the dotted paths on the map. They won't disappear like the altar's Palmon, and you can keep rallying them until the entire tribe vanishes. Besides, a good way to save time is to join other players' rallies instead of searching alone. Capturing. After you defeat a Palmon in battle, one of them will faint. You will then have 5 minutes to try to capture it. To capture it, you will need a Palcatcher crafted in the Palcatcher workshop. Captures are not guaranteed. If you succeed, you unlock that Palmon or get a duplicate. If the duplicate is useless, you can dismiss it for 10 tokens. If you fail the capture, you still get 1 or 2 tokens, and your next attempt will have a slightly higher success chance. Ascending. Once you have unlocked a Palmon, you can use Omni Tokens to raise its star level or keep capturing the same Palmon to collect more tokens. Your total number of Palcatchers will limit how many tokens you can farm. For example, with 40 Palcatchers, if every capture fails, you will get around 40 to 80 tokens, enough for about a 2-star upgrade from scratch. Upgrading your Palcatcher workshop will help you produce Palcatcher faster and let you capture more Palmons. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.